Alright, what's up, guys? We're back. I'm a Fortnite gamer. I'm still going to call you Fortnite Gamer 345. I don't care. But anyhow, you ready up, right?
Yeah.
Alright, but we're going to be doing the random vending machine challenge. I have a wheel of all of the different locations where you can get vending machines from. And we're going to have to get whatever gun we get out of that vending machine. And that's all we can use. Alright, guys, I'm going to spin the wheel. Alright.
Is that copywriting?
No, I don't think. And we have to go, alright, actually, we have like a perfect view of it. To the left of Steamy Stacks, I believe it is up here. Alright, guys, I found the vending machine. It's down here. You gotta be kidding me. This sells minis and med kits. Alright. Well, we're gonna have to try and win a game with no guns then.
Oh.
We might as well at least go after that, though.
Wait,
But
we can't get the guns.
we can't use any gun, but we can still at least get our alien artifacts. So we cannot use guns this whole entire game. We can only use pickaxes. Alright, guys, we made it to the alien chest. It's right here. What are the odds? At least we got it out of the way pretty early in the video. I'm hoping to do 2.
Dude, watch out!
Oh, there's people over there. We gotta get this done really quickly. Hurry, you do it, you do it.
It's right here.
You have to do it. Now it's my turn. Alright, now it's over here. Yep. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. We can basically not use a gun.
Oh. Got it. Oh, no. Okay. Hand cannon. Oh, dude. Watch out!
We're gonna have to try and pickaxe him. Bro, what was that?
It's our only gun.
Oh yeah, we have to use, I guess, the hand cannons.
Yeah.
Give me that hand cannon. Alright, we can only use hand cannons, I guess, now for the whole game. How nice. We're just gonna bend the rules a little bit because we didn't get the vending machine. But to be honest, I don't think a hand cannon is any better than a
pistol.
Or even a pickaxe.
Hey, how much damage does it do?
Only 75.
That's max.
Yeah, that's like, yeah, so. Hopefully we can try and get the win. But I hear somebody in a vehicle. Oh gosh!
Oh, watch out! Gonna get the win?
I don't think. Nope.
What?
Take 2, guys. Alright, I've unpaused it, and now, random location, number 2. Come on, spin the wheel, hurry. And we got up by, pretty sure it's up at, like, this gas station.
That?
Like, yeah, the one by Corny Complex. We gotta go to that one.
I bet that's heals. UC gas station only has heals.
In that case, I'll spin it again if it is heals. Then we'll have to go the whole way there.
Jump.
Alright, not that far away. We got... Oh my gosh. Alright, we gotta go the whole way to the left of Misty Meadows.
Wait, you span it again?
Yeah, I spun it again in case this is only heals.
Oh, okay. Where are we going? What's next?
The left of Misty Meadows. If this is only heals. If it's even here, where is it?
It's hiding from me.
There it is. Yep, this is only heals. All right. Well, we're gonna have to use. I guess we can run some people. All right. Let's just sort of go work our way over to Misty Meadows. Maybe I should have made it just regular POIs, you know? I can use a fishing rod. I'm gonna kill somebody with a fishing rod.
Just take that. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna obey the rules and take attack in case everybody comes. Okay? I'll drop it once we get a gun.
All right.
From a.
All right. Well, I have an idea. I'll just spin it again because I'm pretty sure that's the other heal place at the gas station. So I'm gonna spin it one more time. And it is all right. Bodie Burbs. Oh, first let's go over to this thing over here, though. Alright, guys, I know this is boring, so I'm just going to pause it for now. Well, guys, we're being ambushed. And we died. Well, take 3. Alright, guys, I just spun the wheel on accident right before we started. We got Pleasant Park. So, let's go there. I'm pretty sure Pleasant Park sells ARs, so we might actually be able to do better than we did last time. I can tell you this. This is definitely going to be a lot less tedious than completely driving around the whole entire map looking for gold.
I know, yeah.
Yeah, but season 7 is pretty long, guys. 4 months, so expect a lot of content, a lot of stupid challenges, such as this one. I was just thinking, what should I do for content? I thought, vending machines. Alright, guys, we are now landing Pleasant Park. I remember where the vending machine is. I'm pretty sure it's down here because I've been to Pleasant a lot. And guess what? There's already somebody right there. And the vending machine isn't... the vending machine's like only 50% spawn rate or what?
No.
Where the heck's the vending machine?
I know, it got launch pad.
Ow.
What? Oh.
I'm being taken.
Heavy assault?
I'm being taken. I'm being shooken. These people are assaulting me. They know where you are.
Huh. Well, it looks like I need to do this.
Here, I'm just gonna crawl to you.
Oh. Oh, wait, they shaking?
Here,
Is it only one person?
yeah, just here. Res. Oh, you found the thing?
No, I just found it because it was that person
nice.
died.
Nice. Good. I'm gonna go find it now.
I just remembered I res in the open. I could have got sniped.
Yeah, you forgot snipers back in the game.
Dude.
Oh, here's the vending machine. It's over here now.
Oh, okay. Here. Dude.
Oh, this is snipers.
Sweet.
We can only use snipers the whole entire game, and they're 200 gold.
Ah!
I have an idea. I'm gonna wait for them to shake, and then I'm gonna snipe them. Oh gosh, they see me. I just spent 200 gold for no reason. Isn't that nice? Well, take 4. Alright, guys, our next location is Believer Beach, but I'm just gonna call it Sweaty Sands because that's basically what it is.
Well, technically, I have 300 gold because I'm right on the mark with 290.
And while we're there, we might be able to talk to somebody over there. Well, you gotta be kidding me. I found Abstract, and I didn't do that quest. Why? Seriously, why didn't I do that? Well, I'll see you guys when I get down there. Alright, we're back, guys, and it looks like a lot of people are actually dropping here this game. I didn't have good luck whenever I dropped in my last video. And worst part is, on last video, I was just exploring. This time we have to find a vending machine. And you're already getting killed.
No, break them down.
It's heals! It is literally heals.
How did that count? Damage people while in a field.
Dude, it's literally heals again.
Oh my.
How about this? Every single time it's heals, we'll just do the one chest challenge. So the first chest you loot, that's the only gun you can use for the whole game.
What? Yeah, 1 minute. I'm getting shot at.
Alright, so that'll be our rule, one chest challenge. First chest that we open is the only gun we can use for the whole game.
Oh, there's a thing, dude.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you just want to use the... how about this? We can only use the loot out of those things. How about that?
I really can't. I can't. Okay, I'm doing it now. Sorry, dude. I have to do it. Oh, wait.
Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Kada Man, once again, showing up in a video. And there's the cube. We're only going to use the loot from this cube.
I just got that kill now.
Yeah, just running people over with mud flaps. Alright. Well, how many times in a row have we seriously gotten heals? Seriously. This is probably going to be our final attempt, guys. Just saying. This is basically the random alien chest challenge.
Here.
Alright. Oh, let's go! Oh, you want the... take the pump.
I'll take this.
Yo, drop some of those heals. You don't get them all.
I know. I'm lower health than you.
Alright. So what do you want to do? You want to launch pad over or just drive? Here, we'll just drive over for now. Alright, guys. Well, I'll unpause it when something good happens. Alright, guys. We just realized that we could actually buy some heals. They're selling big pots. Oh, never mind. 120 big pots. 120 gold per big pot. No, thank you. Well, I'll show you when something else interesting happens. Alright then, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick way to fill up your truck. Just get duos or squads, just get your whole entire team, just double fill it up.
Imagine it's...
We found some more people.
It's a noob.
See you later, bud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they had minis too. A full stack of minis.
Oh my god.
Shotguns only, pretty fun. Alright, well, we'll show you on our next fight. Payphone. Hello, let's see.
Hayden told me that you said he could be in videos. It's too hard for him.
Collect cord. Use bandages or med kits. I'm accepting that challenge. Come on.
Isn't it too hard for Hayden to do YouTube videos in your channel?
Yeah, well, I'll show you guys when something else happens. Actually, wait, what is that? Alright, alright, well, let's just continue.
Yeah, let's not play it.
Alright, guys, we're now entering Bony Burbs. Let's try and steal one of these spaceships. How about this? We're gonna have a rule. We can use guns just to shoot down the spaceships.
I had 129 scarring ammo, 92 scarring ammo. Whoa, that is not a real thing.
Alright.
Watch out!
Just because shotguns, they really can't, you know. Oh, man. Hey, it's one of those down things. Let's go.
Ow, ow.
Hey, I'm in it.
Wait, no, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Don't get me. Hijack me. I'm 40-40. No, what are you doing? Okay. Go,
Wrong
go,
way.
Go.
Just get in. Just get in. It's too hard. Get in.
Go.
We have now stolen a spaceship.
Yeah, I'm gonna use sniper because there's people down there.
Yeah, we're allowed to use another gun just for long-range weapon. Just because shotguns, they can't do it. Oh, we got another. But hang on, watch this. I just want to show you this.
What's that?
That's literally what it fires. I don't think we need any long-range. I'm going to drop you down. Grab that launch pad.
There's a person taking a slurp truck.
Yo, grab this. Grab that launch pad. Oh.
Ow! What?
You landed on the building.
You made me die.
Well, you're the one who jumped out.
You said to drop that launch pad.
Well, yeah, I expected you not to actually do it.
There's a med up there, too. Hey, there's more shotgun ammo.
Why can't I get in it? There we go.
There's more shotgun ammo in there.
Alright. Oh, I don't want to harvest that. I can't get the thing off.
Keep hitting it. There you go.
Alright. Alright, guys. Well, oh gosh. It's final 26. I still haven't got a victory royale this season. Alright, get in.
I'm actually gonna take the false reference center than they are.
Alright, yeah. Well, at this point, I'm not going to pause the rest because this is going to be our final game no matter what. Here, I'm going to drop you off so you can actually get one of your challenges done. Down here is Bush Ranger. Let's go talk to our good friend Bush Ranger.
Yes, I leveled up.
Oh, look at me bounce.
Huh?
Wait, I want to test something.
I'm gonna buy coconuts.
Yeah, buy coconuts. All right.
That was expensive.
Well, we
Oh,
have
shoot!
final. Oh gosh.
Let me in. What are you doing? Oh. Dude, get me in. Dude, that was a waste of so much gold.
Bro,
Aimbot.
oh my gosh, Bush Ranger just so annoying. Just get in.
Auto.
Come on, get in. People are shooting at us. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
This is its final life. Can we abduct them?
I don't know. I'm dead. Don't abduct them. They'll shoot back at you.
I'm gonna try and.
Take me though.
Oh!
No! Whoa! Oh my god! Look how high I am!
I'm out of here.
Just forget about me.
Wait, no. You took the other launch pad, didn't you?
Yep, you told me to.
I was gonna say, wait, the launch pad's up here. I could go get you.
Come on! They're fighting something else. Come get me.
Alright, guys, well, I just rezzed Alex and I'm about to die.
No way!
What did you just do?
I killed somebody.
Nice, I'm going after somebody else. It's a duo, they're cracked.
Oh, minis. Got minis for you.
I'm not gonna be able to make it out.
I'm coming. I need to pop something.
Oh, I'm dead. Hey, it's Cal Jonesy. Cal Jonesy, what are you doing? Alright, guys, I bet you the video's about to run out of space. No, it's still going to keep going. Come on, clutch it up. It's final 6. 4th place. Well, see you guys in the next one.